husband's here, waving his hand over here. Okay.
Good job.
Now I can get to
Got me to. Here's our sprout rosties. What do we think?
yum yum.
Come on, turkey, catch up.
At Christmas, obviously, the big worry is a dry turkey. The big worry at Christmas is a dry turkey. The big worry at Christmas is a dry turkey.
The problem is the breast and the legs cook at separate. Oh, sorry, messed it up. Start again.
First blooper.
Blooper.
Yeah, first one, guys. Nice.
You are the muckiest eater I've ever known.
You picking out the raisins, Lily?
Pour it all over.
Help.
Yummy.
Look at that, it looks like holly.
There
Isn't
we go.
it?
What do you think?
Would you eat that?
Yeah.
Definitely,
Yes.
I think you would.
I would too.
Cut there. Brilliant, thanks guys.
Good job.
High five.
Where's the beer?